Ellis Smith, Sri Lankan side, quite handsomely and cheaply. Nisanka, Mendes, they looked threatening until Mendes was run out. Kusal Perera missed out. Avishka, Asalanka, the top order just blown away. Chami Karunaratne went without scoring. Dasun Shanaka played some handsome shots, but he too dismissed going for a big one. In the end, nothing to speak about when it comes to the batting lineup. Partnerships apart from Nisanka Shanaka, 41 of 32, none other contributed. In the end, Sri Lanka 94 all out in 15.2 overs.
Well, the bowlers can be very proud of what they have achieved. Couple of wickets each for Shariful and Saifuddin. Very, very miserly 1 wicket each for Miraj and Mustafiz. Standout performance by the leg spinner, Rishad Hussain. 3 for 18 in 3.2 overs. He really spun a web around the Sri Lankan batters and was by the most successful of the Bangladeshi bowlers. Full toss. These are the highlights of the innings. And then another one really gave it a thump. They started off well with that sweep wide of the square leg. A little bit of a stutter, a big throw, direct hit from Shamim Hussain. That was the point when things turned around.
Kusal Perera was neatly taken by Rishad Hussain at car point with Shariful Islam setting the tone with the new ball. Anushka Fernando was lucky to not be missed early on. Then he went for a massive hit, and in the end, caught by Shamim Hussain at square leg, giving Shariful Islam his second wicket in the spell. Charita Asalanka, even not out on field, went upstairs. Good review by Lieutenant Kumar Das. Really showed there was an outside edge neatly taken by the keeper. At number 6, Dasun Shanaka played some handsome shot along with Pathum Nisanka. Looked promising, both of them. They just could not continue making a comeback. Dasun Shanaka loves playing against off spinners. Miss a big turner of Rishad Hussain. Chami Karunaratne, second delivery. Loving a catch back to Rishad.
And right from that point, it was all Bangladesh. Despite the efforts to get a move on, this was another simple catch to Mehdi Hasan Miraj. Bangladesh kept pegging away. Well judged catch. Mustafiz Rahman going back, hanging on. That delivery from Saifuddin. This, they waited for a while. The catch was taken. No elation from the keeper. And the last one to go there. Just at the foot up. Couldn't get it behind the crease. That was the end.